Hey guys, it's Imacblaine, and today I'm bringing you the 2001 United States Capitol Visitor Center commemorative half dollar. I'm sorry, this is a full dollar. So this is 90% silver, as long with most of the commemoratives. It's out of the Philadelphia Mint, and it is much more common to see a proof coin than this here, which is the uncirculated strike. Now there's a lot of detail, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into the up close real quick. Alright, so the limited mintage on this uncirculated set was 35,380. So 35,000, just under 35 and a half. This side that we're looking on, even though it has John Mercanti's initials, is actually MHS, which is Marika Somogyi, or Somogyi, I'm not sure how you say it. It's Somogyi, Marika, and I do believe she did a good job. So the proofs have a higher mintage at 143,793, meaning that it's much more likely to find a proof than it is to find an uncirculated. The proceeds from this coin went to fund the East Plaza of the United States Capitol building, and it was collected from $3 on half dollars and a certain amount on the silver commemoratives. This is John Mercanti's here, this background, or river, sorry. It says Visitor Center, Philadelphia Mint, Imacblaine. I'm sorry, John Mercanti. I picked this up locally at my local coin shop, which is actually a jewelry store. I go in there and they always seem to have bullion for sale. So even though there's only a very small mintage, these are still treated as bullion by a lot of people. So if you're a collector, you can probably pick it up from somebody like a jewelry store who's doing it as a spot price. But it is a lower mintage, so definitely pick them up if you see them. A lot of these commemoratives are like that. They're not that popular, so a lot of people have looked them over. And here in 20, 30 years, they could definitely gain some value. The original issue price was right around $30. So just by that, paying $3 over spot, you're looking at $18 on a $30 coin without the premium. Okay, so that's the 2001 U.S. Capitol Visitor Center commemorative dollar used to fund the East Plaza by Marika Somogyi, 90% sterling. Thank you guys for watching, and most importantly, have a wonderful rest of your day.